Otherwise, in this short time crunch, I would have had to give this to the customer with one missing fan, which wouldn't have been fun. Another thing is screws for these fans. For whatever reason, this 5 pack of fans didn't come with your typical case fan screws that you would use to plug into like your PC case or to screw into your PC case. So I had to dig through my drawers and I was able to find exactly 12 mix and match screws that worked. But I learned my lesson and I went ahead and picked up a big pack of screws off of Amazon so I just don't have to deal with that in the future. I love these little PCIe powered fan splitters. Basically, this whole fan splitter is powered by one PCIe cord, which, since we're using server power supplies, we have no shortage of PCIe connectors.